Today's video is on the top 5 best laptop stand. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. So our next product is Roost Portable Laptop Stand. I know the Roost isn't the cheapest portable stand you can buy, but I can't recommend it enough. After 4 years of constant travel and use, being thrown in my laptop bag and dragged from plane to office to coffee shop to hotel rooms, this thing is as solid as a rock. Its form factor is small, and it's incredibly lightweight, which has made it such an easy accessory slip in my laptop bag or any other carry-on bag I've traveled with. If it's important to you, the Roost is made in the USA. The designer who invented it has a great story, and he's really designed a portable stand of note. Of course, a load of people have tried to copy his design, but why buy a copy when you can have the real thing? Trust me, this thing will pay you back generously. In fact, I'm writing this post using the Roost stand. Our next product is Nulaxi Portable Laptop Stand. The Nulaxi Portable Laptop Stand is a great budget pick for a portable stand, and it folds down to a good size. Available in space gray or silver, you have color choices if that is important to you. While the Nulaxi is technically a portable laptop stand, it's really a portable laptop lift, as the front of the laptop stays close to the desk. But don't get me wrong, this still creates important ergonomic improvements. The Nulaxi stand has a good range of angles for the laptop, which is super handy if you are in tight spots where you need a specific angle. Can also be good when you have screen glare on your screen. There are 6 angles available. Made from aluminum, it's made to last as well, but this adds a bit more weight. It's about 12.3 ounces, which is about twice the weight of the Roost. Our next product is MOFT Portable Laptop Stand. The MOFT laptop stand reminds me of Expert Origami, creatively adapted for commercial use. It takes portability to the next step by being attached to the bottom of your laptop permanently, can be removed of course. This means you don't need to pack more accessories and extras. When you pick up and go, just fold it up and you're set. Want different colors and patterns? This thing comes in 27 different colors and patterns, so you can make a personal statement without having to cover your laptop in stickers. The weight is very light, coming in at 3 ounces and very thin form factor. That's even 2 ounces lighter than the Roost. It only has 2 height options, but that might be enough for you. Personally, I find working on a laptop that is inclined is terrible for your hand tendons, so this laptop stand comes with the recommendation for an external keyboard and mouse. Regardless of the photos MOFT used to promote is a stand you use and still type from the laptop keyboard. Our next product is Nextstand Portable Laptop Stand. I felt undecided about recommending the Nextstand Portable Laptop Stand, as it's really a clone of the Roost in many ways. It's hard to hold on to IP these days. There are multiple height options, 7 or 8 to be exact, which lets you micromanage your perfect height. These go up to a max height of 12.6 above the desk, which gives really good visual eye height for taller folks. I don't like the laptop clasp as much on the Nextstand, but it's functional and works fine. Our next product is Amazon Basics Portable Foldable Laptop Stand. Like the MOFT, the Amazon Basics laptop stand gives you a little lift at the back. At 10.9 ounces, it's the 3rd lightest laptop stand on our list, which makes it an attractive travel partner. It folds flat so you can fit it in your laptop case, but it's not perfectly flat, with rubber protective supports that will sit up a bit. Your laptop will like it as it provides some good airflow underneath, and it can be set up in 2 different formats. The tilt angle on this is 18 degrees, which is oddly close to a lot of our desktop speaker stands we reviewed. This means it's a good stand for increasing angle, and while it will give you a better view of the screen, it might not be ideal for some of you who suffer from tendinitis. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.